Hey homeowners, ever thought about how much time and effort you spend cleaning your gutters? Today, I'm going to tell you why gutter guards are a game changer for your home. Gutter guards are an invaluable investment. They fit right over your existing gutters and act as a barrier that keeps leaves, twigs, and other debris out. This means your gutters stay clear and free-flowing, effectively channeling water away from your home's foundation, walls, and landscaping. No more worrying about costly water damage or erosion. One of the biggest benefits? You'll spend a lot less time on ladder duty. Without gutter guards, you've got to regularly climb up there to clear out the gunk. It's time-consuming, physically demanding, and let's face it, potentially dangerous. But with gutter guards, the need for frequent cleaning drops dramatically. You save time, effort, and reduce the risk of accidents. And here's another perk. Gutter guards can extend the lifespan of your gutter system. When gutters get clogged, the added weight can cause them to sag, warp, or pull away from your home. That means costly repairs or replacements. By keeping debris out, gutter guards help maintain your gutter's structural integrity, saving you money in the long run. But wait, there's more. Gutter guards also offer protection against pest infestations and fire hazards. Clogged gutters are a breeding ground for pests like rodents, birds, and insects. Plus, dry leaves and debris can be a fire risk, especially in wildfire-prone areas. Gutter guards keep your gutters clean, deterring pests and reducing flammable material. So if you're looking to save time, protect your home, and add an extra layer of security, gutter guards are the way to go. Want to learn more? Head over to bestgutterservices.com. Invest in gutter guards today and enjoy peace of mind knowing your home is well protected. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips to keep your home in top shape.